In this video, we are going to discuss about duality. So, the concept of duality is it is time saving. So, it is a effort effective measure of solving a circuit problem. Here, the two equations are same, except that we must interchange the following quantities. Like I'm going to change the voltage to current and vice versa. Okay, and resistance to conductance. Then capacitance to inductance. So we have two different circuits, but it has same equations and solutions. Okay, so except that the role of the certain complementary elements are interchanged. So this interchangeability is known as a principle of duality. Okay, so this is called as a principle of duality. So the duality principle asserts parallelism between pair of characteristic equation and theorems of electricity. So this it will not be applicable for power because power is a non-linear circuit. Okay, this will applicable only to linear circuit, and that is the linearity will applicable. Duality will applicable for the linear circuit, and it should be a planar network. Okay. So for a non-planar network, we can't able to draw the mesh equations, right? So it will be applicable only for the non-planar circuit only. So consider they are given, they are asked to construct dual of the circuit, which is shown below. So this is your circuit. This is a circuit they are given. Okay. Six volt and 2 ohm. So this is your inductance 2 Henry, and this is a capacitance. Okay, so this is a given circuit. So and if you want to draw the duality, you have to make current direction first. Okay, this is your I1 and I2. So you have two meshes, right? One is this is one node, and this is your second node, and you have to give a third node, that is a ground, which should be always outside the circuit. Okay, so and you have to change the 6 volt into current, right? So from 1 to 3 you have to draw the, so instead of voltage terminal, you have to draw the current terminal, that is instead of 6 you have to draw the current terminal. Okay, so and you have to draw the direction. You can see the from 6 volt the current is moving in this direction only, so this has to be in this direction. Okay, next step, from 1 to 2 I have a inductance, so that should be replaced by a capacitance. Okay, so the capacitance value is 2 farad. So from 2 to 3 I have a I have a capacitance, so I have to replace it by a inductance, and that value is 2 milli Henry. Okay. And from 1 to 3, you have to draw the switch. Switch you can't change anything. Okay. So from 1 to 3, you have a switch, and from 1 to 3, you have a this resistance has to be changed to a conductance. So that value is 1 by 2 ohm. So you should not write conductance as Siemens. Okay. So if I draw this equation from 1 to 2, so this is your 1 and this is your 2. Okay, and this is your 3. Okay, so from 1 to 2 you have a capacitance, and the values are 2 farad. And from 2 to 3 you have a inductance, right? That is 10 Henry. And from 1 to 3 I have a switch, right? So from 1 to 3 I have a switch. So from 1 to 3 you have a switch, that is T is equal to T. Okay. Next from 1 to 3 I have one resistance, that is 1.5 ohm. Okay. And from 1 to 3 I have a current source, that is 6 amps. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is how you have to draw a circuit. Okay. So next, let me draw another. Let me explain you another question based on this. Okay. So you have 10 volt and you have a capacitance of 2 farad, and you have an inductance of 5 Henry, and the 20 ohm, then 3 amps. Okay. And down. Okay, so for this one, you have to draw the duality. So first one, you have to draw the current direction. This is I1 and this is I2 and this is I3. Okay, so and you have to denote the node. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is ground. Okay, so between 1 and 2, I have a capacitor, so that one has to be replaced by an inductance, and that value is 2 Henry. Between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, I have a resistance that should be replaced by 1 by 20 ohm. And between 1 and ground, I have a voltage source, so that should be replaced by a current source, and the direction is C. So it has to be go in the I1 direction. Okay. Next, from 2 to ground, I must have a capacitance, right? So next, from 2 to ground, I should have a voltage source. Okay, that value is 3 volt. And you can see this I3 and 3 amps are in opposite direction. So usually if I have upper arrow, means that should be voltage should be in plus or minus. Okay, but since I3 is opposite direction of this 3 amps, you have to draw it in the opposite way. Okay. So now let me draw the duality of the circuit. So this is 1 and this is 2, 1, 2, and this one is 3. Okay, and this one is 4. So from 1 to 3, you have 1 to 2, you have a 2 Henry, and from 2 to 3 you have 1 by 20 ohm, and between 2 to ground you have 3 volt, and from 2 to ground you have 5 farad, and from 1 to ground you have a current source at 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is how we have to draw the duality of the circuit.